forehead, mascara, pigmented.
Coffee shop, shopping, sabji lene, saman lene, like so and so.
Can you see it? Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pranjali and this is going to be my first ever sit down YouTube video. So a quick introduction. I started my YouTube channel like 2 years back and उसके बाद से मैंने कुछ अपलोड नहीं करा था अपने YouTube चैनल पे. मैंने सोचा कि why don't I give YouTube a fair shot again and start uploading videos here. So here I am sitting in front of you. I'm going to create a very minimal makeup look and आप ये makeup look कहीं भी wear कर सकते हो, like while going to your office, your college,
coffee shop, shopping, sabji lene, saman lene, like so and so.
So let's quickly jump into the video. The first product that I'm going to use is this Hina Henna Beauty face oil. This is how the bottle looks and it is a very nice oil. I use it before starting my makeup. This is a very thick oil, so I'll just put a few drops of it onto my hand. And I'm not going to put much because you know I have oily skin type, but आजकल मेरी स्किन थोड़ा हाइड्रेशन मांग रही है, so that's why I'm going to put it onto my skin.
The rest of it I'm going to put it on my hands.
So मैंने यहाँ पर एक पिंपल पैच लगा रखा है. If you can see, my skin is not feeling great these days and I need to take care of it. So these pimple patches come in very handy. So the oil is absorbed and my skin feels really good and it is ready for makeup. So as I have told you, this is a very minimal makeup look. So I'm going to use just concealer and not foundation. This is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer and I'm in the shade 02. So जहाँ पर मुझे एक्ने मार्क्स है या फिर डार्कनेस है, मैं इस कंसीलर को वहीं पर लगाऊंगी and as you can see मेरे पूरे फेस को इसकी अभी जरूरत.
So I'm going to put it onto my under eyes, onto my chin.
So as you can see, मैंने इसको अपने फेस पे लगा लिया है where I need the coverage and now I'm going to take a beauty blender. This is from PAC and I'm going to blend it.
One eternity later.
As you can see, the concealer is all done and the next step is to set it with the powder. So I'm going to use a loose powder and this is from K Beauty and this is in the shade Banana. I'm going to take my beauty blender and this is how the powder looks. And now I'm going to apply the powder very gently. So now it's time for a blush. Going to use this K Beauty ka blush and it's in the shade Dusty Rose. I just love the packaging.
K Beauty is one of my favorite brands and I love it so much. See how sleek the packaging is. I love it, love it, love it. And the mirror quality, you guys, it is so nice. गंदा हो रहा है मेरा mirror पर it's okay.
So I'm going to put a little bit of blush on my face and keep in mind it is very pigmented. So I'm going to put the blush on my temples. मैं यहाँ पर ऐसा look नहीं देने वाली हूँ because it will make me look like a clown. Remember to dust the excess amount of blush because this is very pigmented and a little goes a long way, a very long way I would say. And if you feel कि ये ज़्यादा हो गया, you can always tone it down with your beauty blender. You can also use this blush on your eyelids. इसको आप अपने forehead पे भी लगा सकते हो. Basically anywhere you can put it. So this was the blush work that you need to do. So now we are going to groom our eyebrows and for that I'm using this pencil. This is from Etude House and this comes with a spoolie which is very nice. So first I'm going to comb my hair and
I need to visit my parlor wali didi very soon.
it's raining you guys. It's raining here in Delhi and मुझे नहीं पता ये कौन सा season चल रहा है because
अभी होली जस्ट खत्म हुई है and उसके बाद से इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी हो गई थी and it has started to rain और बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा हो गया and I think मुझे अपने स्वेटर्स फिर से निकालने पड़ेंगे because ठंड बहुत बढ़ गई है यहाँ पर. I don't know दिल्ली का वेदर क्या चाहता है.
One eternity later.
first of all I'm going to do this. So first of all I'm going to use a lash color because I just love the look. Okay, so time for some mascara. So this is from Maybelline. This is the Lash Sensational Mascara.
तो आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं ये मेकअप लुक करके कहाँ जाने वाली हूँ, पर मैं आपको बता दूँ कि रात के बज रहे हैं 12 और मैं इस मेकअप लुक को करके वॉश करके सोने वाली हूँ.
So now it's time for a highlighter, and for that I'm going to use my favorite, the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. I just really love this highlighter. This is such a nice, cute, pretty, wet look highlighter. You can put it on your forehead. So now I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to put it onto the inner corner of my eyes. It really opens your eyes.
और लगा लेते हैं, थोड़ा और लगा लेते हैं.
Okay, this much is enough. I need to stop.
One eternity later.
मुझे लगा कि मुझे काजल भी यूज करना चाहिए, so I'm using this K Beauty का काजल. Moving on to our next step, I'm going to line my lips, and using my Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut, I'm going to line my lips. Now I'm going to use my favorite lipstick, and it's the Maybelline Nude Nuance. I just really love this lip color. So this is how the lip shade looks like. So I'm going to just tone it down. So I'm using the shade Nude Embrace. So you can stop right here, but I'm going to use a lip gloss, and this is the one I'm going to use. It's from Sigma Beauty. This is the final look, you guys. The look is done. So guys, I really hope that you liked watching this video, and if you did, then please do not forget to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.